I have prayed that only the right people come across this video, those who really need to hear this message, because I sense that you feel frustrated or that you are struggling or that you feel stuck and you can't go on any longer. And you're wondering, when is this going to end? Eventually, things have to turn around for me. And now is that time, my friend. This is where things start to really shift in your favor because after a period of much needed rest, you are finally coming out of it. You are on the brink of something brand new. And it takes a lot of energy to shift into that new way of being because it takes so much effort to learn something new and to become someone you've never been before. So there's a lot of trial and error, there's a lot of growing pains, and there's a lot of energy depletion because of it. So I want you to know that you are on the brink of something massive here because you are starting a whole new chapter, a whole new era, and it's only just getting going. So know that everything is coming together. You're making everything as it should. You're reordering everything. You're changing your environment. You're getting rid of old stuff, old gunk. You're processing old trauma. And now this is going to lead to a whole new way of being. And then things just take off and unfold from there. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to work through this resistance. I know it might be tempting to go back into old habits and to just give into that fatigue, into that restlessness, that burnout. But I want you to keep going, but in a way that honors your time and your energy and your mental health, because that is going to be the breakthrough. So just know that when you are learning to become a whole new person, you're going to feel exhausted. All right. So don't let that hold you back. If this was helpful or if it resonated, let me know in the comments because we need to support each other through this. Getting through this is so hard and it takes so much effort and strength to do so. And I believe in you so much. So hit that like button and hit that subscribe button because I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey. So I'll leave it at that. I love you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.